Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your WhatsApp status to a single person. Let's start. At first you have to open your WhatsApp app. In here at the top right corner of your screen you guys can see three dots. Tap on here and then you guys can find out settings option. Tap on here. Right now you guys can see privacy option. If you tap on privacy then you guys can find out status option. Tap on here and then you guys can see three options like my contacts, accept, and only share with. If you guys want to share your status with a single person, tap on here. Now you have to select the person whom you want to share with. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on the check mark. Now let's go back. As you guys can see, the settings of my status option is right now updated. So this is how you can share your WhatsApp status to a single person. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.